Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the screen time bug after updating to iOS 18. If you have noticed your screen time is increasing even when you are not using your iPhone, don't worry, I have got the fix, so let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings, then tap onto general and then click onto background app, refresh. You can see the option here, background app refresh, tap onto it and turn it off completely. This stops apps from running in the background, preventing false activity and also saves battery. Then the step 2 is you can restart your screen time. Go to settings, click on screen time, scroll down and tap onto screen time and turn it back on by enabling app and website activity. Then you can also turn off low power mode, open settings and then tap onto battery, and you have to turn off this low power mode. As you can see, mine is already turned off. This can sometimes interfere with background process and cause bugs. Then you can force restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to quickly press the volume up and volume down button, then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black, and then turn it off your phone, then turn it back on. Let go when the Apple logo appears. This refreshes the system and clears minor bugs. And the second last option is you can reset all settings if the issue persists. So you have to go to settings, then tap onto general, then scroll down and tap onto transfer or reset iPhone. From there you have to click on this blue logo called reset and tap onto reset all settings, and that's it. If you are still facing the problem, you can check for software updates on your iPhone. To do it, you have to go to settings, then tap onto general, then you have to click on software update. Install the latest iOS version to fix known bugs. That's it. Now your screen time bug should be fixed. If you found another solution, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone fixes.